usual, making paratha for suhoor or siri for 26 days Ramadan fasting. And today is March 16, and today is my special day and my 60th birthday. 60 years old na ako, alhamdulillah. Now we can put now this milk here, fresh buffalo milk. So yesterday I cooked chicken fly or chicken curry, then it's still too much extra. And this mixed vegetables chicken biryani. So I make hot only little for me, enough for my suhoor. 26 days Ramadan na tayo ngayon, alhamdulillah. 4 days left more than there is already Eid, inshallah, on March 19, inshallah. Already closed fasting. Time check is 4:50 a.m. and will be open inshallah 6:15 p.m. So almost 13 hours in PO, nothing by amount. So there is already azan and already finished siren. It's cooking time again for 26 Ramadan fasting, and I will cook today chicken plau. Now we can put now this garlics and ginger. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, to be followed by tomatoes and green chili. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this chicken. Now we can put now this masala, plau masala, half of this packet. Then half of this one is later on I will put. Water is already boiling. Now we can put now this rice, basmati rice. I soak this one for 10 minutes. So I will put now this rice here. Now we can put now this half masala of this plau. Yan. I will not put all. Little bit I did not. Just 1 spoon I did not put all because maybe there is too much spicy. Ito yung recipe or niluto ko ngayon, chicken plau. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner at alhamdulillah natapos na ang 26 days Ramadan fasting, and today is my special day, March 16. At ito yung niluto ko kahapon, mixed vegetables, chicken biryani. Ayan, marami pang natira kasi ito nga nagluto ako ng chicken plow. So, hindi naman ito masisira. Kaya bukas ito yung kakainin ko for suhor. Until ano na ito, until dinner. Open fasting for dinner tomorrow ng 27 days Ramadan. So, ito din yung niluto ko kahapon, chicken clay or chicken curry. Yan, marami ding natira. Tapos, nagluto ako ng 4 chapatis. Si Langga ang kumain ng 3 chapatis. Pero kumain din siya ng chicken plow. So, meron isang natira. Tapos, reta yan. Ito yung yogurt. Ito yung ginawa kong yogurt na may cubes na tomatoes at saka onions. Tapos, bumili din si Fahad ng dew. So, alhamdulillah, nakaraos na sa 26 days Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah. Hindi na ako nagluto ng pakuras. Simple lang yung namin ngayon. Dinner namin, chicken plow. Tapos, yung pang-open fasting namin, iftari, sharbot juice, and then dates. Yun lang, alhamdulillah.